Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's March 30th, 2026. A Bay Area Telugu organization marked Ugadi with a vibrant cultural showcase, blending tradition with community advocacy and engagement. An Indian American accountant was honored with the inaugural Geetha Ramakrishnan Memorial Award, recognizing excellence and community impact. The Nari 2026 celebration in the Bay Area honored global women leaders, highlighting achievements across industries and cultures. An analysis explores whether India risks being sidelined in potential US-Iran peace talks via Pakistan, raising questions about regional influence. The International Energy Agency warns the Iran conflict has triggered one of the largest oil supply disruptions in history, impacting global markets. A new Indiaspora report highlights the growing economic and political influence of the Indian diaspora worldwide. Experts caution that frontier AI is advancing faster than governance frameworks, especially in areas like software testing and security. Infosys has announced plans to acquire Florida-based Optimum Healthcare IT, strengthening its presence in the healthcare technology sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Noida International Airport, while criticizing opposition parties for delays in the project. A Texas judge, KP George, has been found guilty in a campaign funds case, marking a significant legal development in the state. Markwayne Mullin has been sworn in as U.S. Homeland Security Secretary, signaling a leadership shift in national security. Straker CEO Ankur Shah has been honored at the 2026 SC Awards, recognizing innovation in cybersecurity. A consortium led by Carl Somani has acquired Rajasthan Royals in a $1.63 billion IPL deal, underlining the league's soaring valuations. Dr. Adhir Shroff will lead the cardiology division at the University of Illinois Chicago, marking a key academic leadership appointment. A California-based Indian dance school has earned a spot at a Disney showcase, spotlighting cultural talent on a global stage. A column by Anil Swarup emphasizes gradual improvement over drastic change, advocating steady progress in governance. Major League Cricket 2026 tickets are now on sale, as the league expands its footprint across the United States. An analysis examines how the impact player rule is reshaping T20 cricket strategy, changing team dynamics and match outcomes. A feature on Shakib Al Hasan highlights his remarkable career, combining over 700 wickets and 14,000 runs across formats. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.